is North Carolina's weather is so crazy all the time? Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today is Tuesday. It means that it's beginning of my work week. This week I'm going to be sewing some products for my upcoming market. This one is going to be the last one of the season. It's going to be indoor market, so I'm really excited for that. I've never done an indoor one, and I'm excited for this one because it's not going to be cold. Because last week I froze so bad at the market. I just came back from a fabric store because I had to restock a couple of fabrics, and I got some natural cotton batting to make more bowl cozies for this upcoming market. I had a customer email me. She wanted a custom bowl cozy for her son, and she asked me if I could make something with like more like masculine colors because I also had another customer come up to me at the last market. She was looking for a gift for her grandson, and she was also asking me if I had something like more boyish, and I was like, I absolutely don't have anything for boys in my booth. So I was like, why not? Let me get some more like neutral fabrics that are not super girly. Here's all the fabrics that I got. I got all of these. These two are the ones that I picked out for the bowl cozy. I think I'm gonna do it like 2 different colors. Also, I got this one. Just a regular red polka dot. I need these. I can use it as lining or just make a minimalistic like zipper pouch. I think it'll look really cute too. Or I can pair it with some other fabrics. I needed more of this because I'm running out. And I always buy a bunch of this fabric because it's my best seller. People love it at the markets and people love it on my website. Also, I got this big 36-inch ruler because I am so tired of using that one, 12-inch one, to like draw lines whenever I try to mark my like quilting line, and I have to move it every 12 inches and it's so annoying. It's never straight. And it's just, yeah, a lot of work. This one was only like $3.49. I didn't get the plastic one because that one was like 20 bucks. And it was kind of too expensive for me right now. But yeah, so I got this one, and I'm sure it'll be fine. But yeah, I'm excited for that. Also today I need to pack an order that came in yesterday. Thank you, Christine. She got my new bookmark that I just posted on my website, and some stickers, an ice cream cozy. I'm excited for this to go to her because she's gonna love it. I love using ice cream cozies, and my husband uses them all the time. And then she also got the scrunchie and this beautiful book sleeve, and she's gonna be the first one to get my new packaging. I just ordered some more because surprisingly I ran out already of my like regular gray packaging. I got some pink poly mailers. There it is. Finally something that fits my brand, fits my aesthetic. I got some custom labels finally. Here it says To the Moons. Also, this bag has been a bestseller, surprisingly. I didn't think it would be. But yeah, people seem to like this design. I like it too. I like it a lot. But yeah, plan for this week is to make a bunch of bowl cozies because people have been asking me for them, and I only have one right now, so I need to make more. Also, I need to make more book sleeves and zip pouches. That's what I want to do. I need to do my custom order, and I have to put labels on all of my stuff. That's what I want to do, and I need to redo my pictures. There's so much to do. But yeah, it's been going great. I'm really happy that I'm this busy. what's going on, but it's like 60 something degrees today. And it's December 17th. What's going on? Why is North Carolina's weather is so crazy all the time? It's like freezing one day. It was literally like the ground and everything was frozen like 2 days ago. And I'm sweating now in my house. Do I need to turn on the AC? I don't understand. But yeah, I just got another order for a zipper pouch from one of you guys. Thank you so much. It makes me so happy to receive each order. It just, I feel so happy that people like my stuff. And right now I'm making a book sleeve for Tammy. So she has a channel called Uncomfy and she makes polymer like keychains and things and sells them on Etsy, and now she sells some plushies too. I love her art. She's so talented, so I reached out to her and I was like, hey, you can like look at my website and see what you like. And she picked this book sleeve. I don't have it made, so I'm making it right now. So she picked book sleeve in this color, and she picked a tote that I just said that is a bestseller on my website. That's the one that she picked. So yeah, I have that one ready because I have 2 of those bags already done, and now I just need to make a book sleeve. And I just packed an order. I just received an order, and then I'm packing that package for Tammy too. What's going on? So I just cut out a bunch of squares to make bowl cozies in this color, and I'm also gonna pair these 2 fabrics together. I think it'll look really cute. I'm just sewing corners on all of these now. And then I'm gonna do it again when I fold it this way. So yeah, I'm just trying to batch all of these cozies so I can make them faster. Hey guys, so today is Thursday, it's 8:20 p.m. Today has been very eventful. Not even today, like the whole week has been kind of overwhelming for me. I have been getting consistent orders. It's crazy, I still can't believe it that people want to buy my stuff, and I'm so grateful for it. And today I got a very big order, so I've been getting that ready. I'm just now realizing that I hit my goal of $300 a week that I was talking about in like a previous video. I didn't think, sorry, my cat's going crazy. I didn't think I would be able to reach that goal until like maybe summer. Alaska. That's been very amazing to be getting consistent orders. But yeah, just wanted to update you all on how it's been going and how amazing, and that I'm so grateful because this big order today was placed by one of you guys, and thank you so much. I really appreciate you. I'm gonna get back to work. I don't know what time I'm gonna stop tonight, hopefully soon, but I know that I want to finish making these 2 bookmarks for one of my orders. They look so cute on camera. But yeah, these are corner bookmarks. Check them out on my website if you're interested. And I'll show you the bowl cozies that I made today. They have already sold out. Here's 2 of them. But yeah, and I just got this fabric a couple of days ago, and I think it'll be perfect on everything I make. So yeah, these are 2 of the new ones, and I already sold them. So yeah, gotta make more now. Hey guys, today's Friday, and right now it's almost 5 o'clock. I'm getting ready to go to my first day of my new job. Today's gonna be kind of like a trial day for me. I'm gonna see if it's a good fit and if I like it, and the manager was like, absolutely no offense, no hard feelings if you don't like it, just like make sure that it's a good fit for you. And I really appreciate that, especially in restaurant culture. People are expecting you to commit to like working at the same place for like years and be available 24/7, and if you don't like it, well, too bad, you have to do it. Today I did a little bit of sewing. I got one of my big orders ready. I had to make a tote bag and a bowl cozy for that one, but I had everything else, and then I had to prepare some items for my custom order that's getting picked up tomorrow. It's by a person that I know. She was actually a customer at my previous barista job, and we kind of like always chatted whenever she came in, and she follows me on Instagram and decided to place an order with me. So yeah, and tomorrow is Saturday. I'm really thankful that this market is on Sunday because I have not done anything to get ready for it. I don't have enough stuff for it. I only have 4 like boxy makeup bags. I really need to make at least, I don't know, 3-4 more. And I need to make a bag that I signed up. Every vendor is supposed to make a donation for a raffle. It has to be something that I made. It has to be a bag actually, because I said that it was gonna be a bag. Hey guys, it's Saturday morning right now. I've been up since 5 in the morning because I had to drive my husband to his brother's house, so because they were gonna go snowboarding, so I did that. And then I went to a fabric store in that area. I just got some fabrics that I had to restock and some cotton batting for more bowl cozies. I'm back home now. This morning I got another request for a custom order, so I'm excited for that. And then I got a couple of people messaging me and asking for my website, so that was great. Hopefully they order something. So yesterday I had like a first like trial day, or like onboarding or whatever, and I think I'm not gonna take that job because I'm not gonna go too much in detail, but it was not a good fit. And yeah, today I'm just gonna be sewing as many things as I can for tomorrow's market, because the stuff that I keep making, I keep selling. So I need to like make some box pouches for sure. Guys, I have the best clients. My friend / client today was picking up her order, and she brought me matcha and some snacks. Thank you, Sarah. Oh, it's much needed because I am going to have a very long night of sewing. Updated my website too. So my laptop has been having these lines on the screen for months now, and I need to fix it. but it costs like $400, $450 almost. So I probably just need to order a new laptop, like buy a new laptop, but I can't right now. So I'm just working on this like broken screen. Here's the new bag that I posted today. I'm sorry it looks terrible, but I posted this new makeup bag today. I really like this color combo. So yeah, if you guys are interested in supporting my small business and funding my new laptop, please go shop on my website. There's a lot of really cute stuff. Feel free to check it out. I just came back from my last market of the season. It was really fun. It was inside, so I did not freeze to death like I did last week. It went pretty good. There wasn't a crazy amount of people, but I made $80, I think, exactly. So it was pretty good for compared to all the other markets that I did. That is, I know that it's not much, but for me as a beginner, that's pretty good. I really enjoyed it. I am happy to be done with markets for a while because that was a lot of work. This week I worked every day, so I worked 7 days this week, and part of it is because I had a lot of orders, which is amazing, and part of it is I was trying to get ready for this upcoming market. But it's finally over, and now I can just focus on my online shop. So thank you guys so much for watching this week's video. Check out my online shop in the description down below, and I'll see you next week. Bye.